Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Well, today I'm here alone, no Chris, no Samuel, so I'm just doing a little, what should I call this now? So I'm not an hairdresser, I put that out there. I'm not too good at the ear thing, but I just decided that I can do a little sit down and show you guys how I decorate my locks. So this is going how many months now? I got this done February 27, and today is what? The Halloween in May right now. I got it, what do you call that, fresh up. So we get the roots all done and stuff all over. So today I'm just going to go through a little thing with prepping up my hair a bit with you guys, okay? I hope you guys are interested in stuff like this. This package now, I bought this on Amazon, you know, along probably a year or so now. I've been using it every time I do the what you call it, box braid or so. I always use these, but now I'm left with gold because I use silver so much. I prefer to put silver in my hair. I don't like gold that much. I prefer silver, that's why I'm all out of the silver. I will have two and fill with gold, right? Yeah, as you can see, my hairdresser had already, sorry, I have to catch up on mirror. She already put two in there, so I wasn't thinking to do that, but let's try it easy. I will put little oil in there first. So I'm using, well, I'm going to try out Vera now. Vera brand, so this is the castor coconut hair oil. That's what I'm using to rub some all over the root, and also spray some of my Vera Grow Scalp Tonic Hair Grow. Yeah, and like I said, they're all Vera brand. You can check them out if you wish, but them smell nice, sweet up my ear. And before the refresh that I was telling you guys about, I did actually wash it. So wash it and make it air dry. So I'm going to cut a piece of this off just to do a little thing. Kinda not up right now. I don't know, me think it costs less to like just purchase those set online to me instead of we're always going to buy it out here. I used to do that, but it never had work out for me. Okay, so I'm gonna just add a piece of this here, and you guys know it's basically wrap it around and then tie it in. Just try a little thing. Yeah, I hope y'all, you know, about come at me. Not that you're just I'm such a thing, isn't it? But for one video, add a little stuff to my hair. Right, guys? So you just basically wrap it and make a knot. Yeah. So that's basically it, guys. You make them a knot. I just cut off the loose ends of it. That's that for that. See? And then I have these, the spiral stuff. I'm gonna put it. I want to put it, make it too crowded. So let's put it all up and pull it up on it. Tell me in the comments Do you guys like all these accessories in your hair? Because it's really and truly the in thing though. It is. When I think this is somebody with their hair done and you have these accessories. See? I don't think it really takes much out of here. Well, this is the one that I used to buy before I start ordering online. These have some beads left. I don't normally use the beads. So let's see. I can pull up two. I don't know if they will fit. I don't know. I actually did ask my hairdresser about the beads and she said just push them in and draw them up till them stuck. Yeah, I don't know further. So see that? True. Not bad. One thing. Not bad. Easy 1, 2, 3. I normally beat myself still, but yeah. Easy 1, 2, 3. I don't want to buy my own and just bling up the hair when I feel like. And this now, I don't know what I'm called this one. Like a clip, so just open it. Open it and find where on the twist or the lock you want it on and squeeze it. Easy like that. Let me. I have many different types of stuff in this. So this one, so with the shell at the end, or this function. I think this is supposed to open. I'm not too sure. Yeah, supposed to open. Yeah, see this part here. Open it and then attach it somewhere, and then squeeze it. Attach it. Squeeze it. Just make sure you itch it in good somewhere proper and then squeeze it. Let's see there. This it locks more. I don't want to put too much stuff in there. It's gonna look too crowded. What is it? It's not very good. See that? What I'm telling me, I'm not pro. Bye. Yes. Knot it again. Since it never knocked properly at first. But you know, look at. And I don't think I'm not too extra. I'm simple, so I don't want to put too much in there. Overdo it. Not my kind of thing. Simple. But you know, after your way, you can relax without first laying by and add to it. You know, the rest want to pep it up a bit as the days goes by. My friend. So you just add little stuff to it. That's not bad. I'll put in on it somewhere. So you can do a thing, guys. Males might say, oh, we're too extra. But the things we females do, but them like it after we're done, don't it? Yep. So guys, what products do you guys use in your hair? Like with me, I'm not a hair person. If you guys realize, you probably can count on one hand the amount of times that you guys see my natural hair since we started YouTube. Guys, I always braid or something, in a braid or something. I don't keep my hair out. And more while when you see the front look nice and push up, I just perm the front just for the hairstyle that I'm getting for it not to look too plain. or because my natural hair is originally thick, like extra thick, so normally for me to get edges, like edges to be laid and stuff, I have to put cream in it. If not hold it down not hold it. So this is how I decorate. Let's call it decorate my locks. You can also do the same thing for your box braids. You know how wear it without first. If you're somewhere you want a different look, pep it up and all. You can do that yourself. Not too hard to do. And see, that's it. Just add 2 little some straight and go. One thing. Okay. Let me just brush in this. I'll let it now go really last for long. With the edge control and just brush in a bit. Tell me what y'all think in the comments. I'm not going too bad. You said but no, that's it. I'm not still like the little edges are up, but it's a brush it. That's it. I don't know about big fancy. I'm not a hairdresser. God know why. It's a boy. Although they well want the girl, but God never make a mistake. My mother look at me and tell me that one time already, because she realized I'm really not do the hair thing. I'm not at all on the hair thing. So I know him that do. And give me Samuel, does it? But yeah. Look. Not a big difference, don't. But yes, guys, and like I said, when you can buy the top on Amazon, I'll look if I can find find these back, and I can put the link in the description. But it's worth it. It's really worth it, and it comes with the strings in there also. So yeah, with the something. Add some little thing. So guys, thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to know the thing. I know a little basic video, but it still counts. We're doing a video about all different kind of things, don't it? From the houses, from our vlogs, then we go reach with the cars. But that's doing a little bit of everything, right? I hope you guys appreciate it. And I want to tell you guys thanks once more for being a part of the Pisams family. So just remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and big up on yourself, isn't it? And remember, the journey continues. Bye!